Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing those people that dream big but do nothing. And I was that person for a very long time. But once you understand what I'm about to tell you in this video for just the next few minutes, so stick with me, you will completely gain so much more awareness and therefore an action plan that you can put into place in your life so that you're not just dreaming, but you're actually doing. So this video isn't going to be too long. I just want you to take this information, use it how you will. Be careful because it is actually so dangerously so fun, guys. So just listen up and yeah, follow what I'm about to tell you in this video. You keep telling yourself you're going to start like maybe tomorrow or on Monday, or waiting for the right moment, or needing more motivation, right? Become aware that you are actually doing that without realizing. And the biggest thing that most people think about here, if you're watching this and you want to start actually doing instead of dreaming, is you attach the label that you have a discipline problem. It's a feeling problem, guys. It really is. Every time you sit down, your brain throws up dread, anxiety, overwhelm, that heavy, I guess, I don't want to, all right? And you hate it, this feeling knowing that you have to do things now. Oh, I'll put it off until then. And so that feeling that you build, there is a loop that you accumulate over time, which is, I will do it when I'm in a different circumstance. And your brain learns something every single time you do this, is that if I avoid it, I feel better. The feeling that you gain from not doing the work now, you tell yourself and convince yourself that you will feel better if you avoid it. This is actually like kind of crazy if you think about this. And next time you go try to do something, it runs faster and faster, and it creates this loop over and over again. And you're literally training your brain to quit the good things. And that's why nothing's moved. So let me actually tell you about how you can break it and finally stop arguing with yourself about building the whole thing tonight. You open the laptop for 5 minutes or your phone, and that's the whole rule. You don't have to finish, you don't have to do it well, and 9 times out of 10, you keep going because starting is the hard bit. The first minute is always the worst minute, all right? So literally just go hit record, go and send that message, go and do that habit. It doesn't have to be your phone or your laptop. Go and actually take that walk, go to the gym, go do the small things, have that little bit of reading time, and just have that self-reflection enough to realize that you will just start and you'll see how it goes and you'll see how you feel. If this video hit you and it makes sense and you try it out, I can guarantee you will find success as it accumulates, and that loop will break. That loop that you are stuck, procrastinating, distracted, and that you're just dreaming. This video is very simple. You simply just do that first minute, that hardest bit that you now have to build the loop for, all right? And it will get easier. So, yep, if you enjoyed this video, first link in the description, you'll find my free community for men who are done sitting on their own life, right? And just being in the same place all the time. Go check it out. Already helping lots of guys there. And then the second link is I literally am doing a completely free one-to-one call for just 15-20 minutes to discuss where you're at and stuff. So if you want to check it out, I've got a few questions down there too. Go ahead and do that. But I appreciate you for watching this, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. All right, bye.